Good po, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to La Casa Hotel. Do you have any reservation, sir?
Yes, I have a reservation.
May I have your confirmation number, sir?
987-654.
Okay, sir. I have here for Mr. Dito. You have a credential, sir. Okay, sir. Can I have your valid ID? Okay, sir. Thank you. Wait for a minute, sir. How do you want to settle your account, sir?
Via credit.
Okay, sir. Can I have your credit card first, sir? Sir, I just wanna remind you that we're paying 10,000 for the charges. Okay, sir. Wait for a minute. I will check your registration. Here, sir, you're staying at Presidential Suite for floor 64, and your room number is 3809. You're staying for 3 days and 2 nights, and you have a view of the city, and your bed size is king size. And this is your contact number and your email address. Can you sign me, sir? Thank you, sir. Give me a moment. I will send it to our DFS. So, here is your credit card, sir, and your card. You have access to our swimming pool, gym fitness, and our spa.